Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. We are working on the Pilates mat work series, which actually starts standing on your mat. So the first thing we're going to do is practice the transition of standing up to how we get down before we begin the 100. But disclaimer, if you have a history of hip, knee, or ankle issues, please just omit this and you can meet me on the mat for the 100, which is the next video. So if you're joining me, go to the base of your mat. You can bring your feet parallel in together and then pivot on your heels so you're in that Pilates stance. If you remember, that's a fist distance between your big toe joints. Ground down through your feet, the ball of your big toe, small toe, and the center of your heels. Feel all 10 toes press into the mat. Scoop your powerhouse. Remember that cue to pull your hip points up into your navel. It'll feel like you're pulling your lower abdominals back. And then from here, grow taller, feeling like you're sliding your navel up your spine so it lands right here at the base of your neck. Just take a second to feel like your head is pressing through the ceiling, your tailbone is reaching towards the floor. All right, so from here, reach your arms forward and pull your waist back. Stack your arms one on top of the other like genie style. Press your arms into one another and lift your waist up. Feel like you're lifting your collarbone above your arms. We're gonna do what we did in the Powerhouse video. Start just by bending your knees, feeling like your back is sliding down a wall. From your powerhouse, straighten your legs. So you scoop in and up, and that's what makes your legs stretch. And again, bend your knee. We're going to do 2 more like this. Keep that lifting your spine. And then exhale, scoop your powerhouse to come up to standing. You have 1 more. Bend your knees. And then exhale, come all the way up to standing. Switch the cross of your arms. Other arm is on top. We're going to go a little bit further. We're not going to go to the floor right away, but watch. Your arms are stacked. I lift my spine. I bend my knees like I just did. But to keep going down, I'm going to send my chin and my elbows forward and my hips go back as a counterbalance. See how low you can go? Still feel the 3 corners of your feet. Scoop your powerhouse. Now press into your heels. Press your head up and come up to standing. Do 2 more. Slide your back down the imaginary wall. When you can't go any further, you send your chin and your elbows way forward. Notice how my hips go back. My spine is in a straight line, hopefully. And then I'm going to press my heels into the floor, scoop my powerhouse, and come all the way up. 1 more. This is to help build your strength so that you can go all the way down to the mat. Elbows and chin go forward, hips go back. Can you go a little bit lower? And then press your heels down, lengthen your spine, and come up to standing. All right. Are you ready to go all the way to the floor with control? At any point, if you need to put your hands down, please put your hands down. If not, you're trying to lower your hips to the mat without using your hands. So from here, reach your arms forward, stack your forearms, lift your spine. Grow taller as you bend your knees. Start sending your chin and your elbows forward, hips back. My heels stay pressed together. I'm gonna lower all the way down, take a seat with control. My hands go on the mat. I slide back, straightening my legs, lower all the way down, and you're ready for the first exercise in the mat series, the 100. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule, and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code Contrology Freak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.